Welcome to Words Well Read. In this video, we are going to learn how to say three words that may be a bit tricky to pronounce. Let's start with the first word. This word is spelled Horchata, and it is pronounced horchata. Horchata. This is a delicious drink made from ground almonds, tiger nuts, or rice and is popular in Spanish-speaking countries. Here is a sentence with this word. I got a bucket of horchata. Next. This word is spelled C-L-U-S-T-E-R. This is pronounced as cluster. Cluster. This word can refer to a group of things that are close together, like a cluster of grapes. A sentence example: have a look at the cluster of galaxies in this photograph. Finally, this word is spelled as M-A-L-I-N-G-E-R. This is pronounced Malinger. Malinger. This word refers to the act of pretending to be sick in order to avoid work or other responsibilities. Here is a sentence with this word. His boss suspected him of malingering because of his frequent absences from work. That's all for this video, folks. I hope you had fun learning these new words. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join us next time for more fun and